Hello everyone, welcome back to Mama in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make cilantro lime rice. So I'm going to start off by showing you the ingredients. First, you're going to need about 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lime juice, about 1.5 teaspoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 4 bay leaves. I have small bay leaves here, or you can use 2 big bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a cup of chopped cilantro. You want to chop it very fine. And then you're going to need 1 cup of basmati rice. I already rinsed out my rice. You want to rinse your rice very well a few times until the water starts to come out clear. And now we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to be doing is adding the rice to a pot. So I've already rinsed out my rice. And I'm going to be adding 1.5 cups of hot water. And we're also going to be adding the bay leaves. And we're just going to let this come to a boil. And once the water comes to a boil, you're just going to go ahead and cover your pot, and then you're going to decrease the heat to low medium heat, and you're going to let it simmer for about 8 minutes or until the water is completely gone. Okay, so the rice has been simmering for about 8 minutes and now it's ready. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn off the heat, and I'm going to take the lid off, and I'm going to set this aside for about 10 to 15 minutes for it to cool down a little bit. Okay, so it's been resting for about 15 minutes, and now I'm going to go ahead and take the bay leaves out. And we're going to add the lime juice, lemon juice, the salt, and cilantro, and we're going to mix it in very well. This is what the lime rice should look like after mixing it in. And now I'm just going to go ahead and place it in a bowl. I went ahead and plated my rice. I'm going to be serving this with a Copycat Chipotle chicken and also with corn salsa and some black beans. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.